Friends, in the previous video we have completed this section, see, and this is not working. Yeah, I know. Now in this video we make the data of all this one and this one, and then after we go on the another section and this footer one. First of all, we want to make these types of a data. For that, here I already make the this popularity all this copy, same like. Now in this video we want to change this and make as like this one. For that, just copy one by one. Here I want to now second one give the, and second you can fast forward this video. Now just copy this and paste here, and here also. Just little bit of, yeah, this Chinese, and this content. Now again dinner, and this ice cream. As like this one and this part, and now here, and this north one, northern Indian food near me. Okay, let me change as like this one, and pizza food near me. Now next is roll food near me. Just change this, and again is sandwich. Just copy paste here, and this is sand food, and now snake food. Now again this is paste here, and this one. Now we have covered this, and just delete this unnecessary. You want to also add the link if you want to require. Then now let's see all the things are added. Now in this between, see, here we have this point, like this we want to add in our index.html. Here this dotted one, for that we want to add this dot type. This is a class, just remove this class if not required. Now let's see, if not required, see, this all things are collapsed. Now I want to space, we can do here. I want to add bullet point symbol. Just copy this one, come again and paste inside this. Now let's see, open. Now see, as like this one is coming, but yeah, this too much big. You can resize this as like this one. Now this one is coming. Now see, when we click, this will be expand. See, as like this one I want to do this popular restaurant type. For that I want to make here data. Here I want to give the, what is the name of this restaurant. Let's make for the copying purpose, just key, and this one here I want to make all this object here, and why this is happening. and just copy here one by one. Now here come, and here I want to change this restaurant.js. Here I give the in this folder export default or export const restaurant equal to array of object. Inside that I want to include as like this one, description and link. Just copy one object name and come again in the restaurant, here paste it. Now I want to copy this all the name, copy this name and paste it here, and just copy this, and only I want to change the name. And again I want to copy this, and yeah, now I think done. Go up. Now I want to copy this and change this one. And here, okay, this one, I think this whole part I copy small part. Okay, this much, and this one, and this. Copy this and this club here, and this one. After that this. You can fast forward this video if this is looking. Copy this, and here I want to paste again. And this one, and here I want to paste. And this here I want to paste. Now we copied, done, and just full screen this. Now this one data is extra. Now I want to import this data in the index.js. Just copy this same name, this object array of object name, and come in the index.js in the top section. Here I want to import restaurant from relative path restaurant.js. Now here we have imported. Let's check this for copy this and come in the bottom section. Here I give the comment and just console.log for the checking purpose this data is coming or not. Come here, right click, open with, and in the go on the console. Here let me refresh. Error about it not found. Okay, in the top section maybe. Okay, here write the .js. This request module does not provide a export name default. Okay, let me check in the restaurant JS. Okay, not a provided default. For that we can do here curly bracket. Yeah, now data we get. Now I want to place this all data, and this data is coming where? Line number 53 and 28. Okay, where is 28? Here. Okay, just comment this. Now just refresh the, we got a like 53. Okay, just comment this. Yeah, now got a 58. Now we got a this data. Now I want to place this data. Where is our here? Now I want to place here in this place, but this will not display. For displaying purpose, this one I use the same command. Just copy this one, this whole things copy with a toggle one. Yes, now just copy this and come here after the restaurant and paste here. I want to change something here. Here give the toggle one, here one, here one, here one. Yeah, now see all things are okay. And I want to change the document.get id, this id. Where is index.html? Here. Now here I want to give this restaurant id. Second one is restaurant id. Just copy this and come here in the index.js, change this id name. And now second one is this one. For that I want to here change this document dot get element by id. After that this one we will run. For that come in the index dot html. Here give the id is restaurant display data id. Just copy this id, come in the your index.js, here give double quotes and paste this. Now here I want to also give, just copy this and here also. Yeah, now see this is coming or not. Yeah, not coming. Why? When we click method, let me first check this function is working or not. Alert dot hi. When I want to click, yeah, this function is working. And now in the index.js, popular restaurant type near me. Okay, when we give this id and here display this. See, this is coming, but why this is not coming? document dot get element by id, and here I was write the id. Let me check, here I was missing something. Here I give the id, here also give the id, and here display all this data. For that I think here nothing, that why maybe I write something maybe. Now let's see. Just comment uncomment this hi, and here okay. I think this is not accessible for this. For that I can do one thing here. Popular city, here I give the restaurant, also give where is restaurant ID. Just copy this, come here again, and here display none. Yeah, but when this is come one time, you want to continuous. Okay, here I was not written one and somewhere other. No, now let's see. Let's see here, toggle, this toggle, and this toggle, and just remove this one. This here display, then toggle. Yeah, here I want to give one, and now let me check. Yeah, now these are working. See, as like this one I want to. Now if we make one function run for all this, for then also okay. Here give the one function, so data, and inside that we want to pass a 3 parameter check click id, and another was a display where I want to display id, and third one is a toggle, and inside this I give just copy this whole things. Let me check, this is running here. Now I want to here just change this id, this is a clicking id, and here display id, just copy this, paste here, and here also I give the this toggle, copy this, oh why this happened. Here copy this and paste here, and this one, this one, this one. Yeah, now okay, and I want to call this function, copy this, paste here, and here I want to pass a this id name, just copy this, paste here, and again I want to display. For that just copy this, paste here, and last one is a toggle. For that I here give the let toggle boolean value anything, I give the 2, and this will be by default first true, and just copy this here, give the comma, and now paste it and just comment this. Now let me check if this is working or not. Yeah, now see, this is working. As like this one we can make all other things for all this. For that we can do here, just make a function. Now as like this one I can remove this, just delete this section, no need of a. Now this one okay, and this one we give the here 1, remove this, and here give the 1, and this function okay. And as like this one we have done this one. Also we need to just comment this for now, and we can do here again calling this function in the top section. Here we give the 2 this one toggle 2, and here is a toggle 1. I want to change the only id name. For that just copy this id, and here I want to display, and this one is a click id. Now where I want to display, this is a popular city html, here I want to display. Just copy this, and where is, here I want to display. Let me check, paste here. Now here I want to just comment this, where is this one commented already, and just delete this unnecessary things. Now let's check first one is also working or not. Yeah, see, now first one is also working. Now our code will be little bit, it's small. Now see, we can delete this section also, and just delete this just here and make down this. Yeah, now as like this one I also make all this section also. For that now we can do we can make here also function one, which function name is function so data. What I want to give, so data, so display data, and inside that just function. Now just copy this whole things. I want to run this for loop. For that and this HTML. For now just copy this one, what can do, and cut here, copy this, not a cut for now, and paste here, and just control shift F for the formatting purpose. Now see, here we have a one HTML as like this one, and now here I want to insert this. For that I want to pass this variable, and we want to give here, we don't need of this variable, only for the temporary purpose. After the completion I want to return this variable name, in where I want to return. For that I want to give some id. For that this one we return, where this is in the popular city id. For that this is where popular city id, let's check popular city id, this one display, where I want to display that id. For that what can do, and I want to also give the data na. Yeah, this popular. Now here I want to first is a first parameter is a data, and second parameter is a id. And now data, just copy this, paste here data, and now here I paste, and where I want to change, here also data, here also data, and anywhere, and nowhere. And now I want to give the id, where I want to display. For that the outside the for loop I give the document dot get element by id, and inside that pass a id, and give the dot inner html, and assign this variable name. Now this much. Yeah, now see, let's check this is working or not. For that I want to call this show data display, and we call this in here, this is a first one, this is a toggle one. After that I want to show this data. First we want to pass a data for the data. Okay, Where is the populate city data? Let me copy here, populate city data, come here, and now I want to second is a where I want to display. I want to display here. Now check, let comment this all. This is so ID na? No, this one is not, or this one. Now let's see what the output is coming. Scroll down when we click. Yeah, see, now this is also working as like this one. And now here some mistake. Okay, I think no data is available, that's why if I available some data for this as like this one, just copy this one and come here again. Okay, I here give the toggle na true, this here true, and here I want to change the restaurant. Just copy this restaurant and here come again. Here I want to give the restaurant, and where I want to show this one is ID, just copy this and paste here. Now let's see. Yeah, now see here automatically all things are coming as like this one. This function is very good. Now as like this one only I want to make a data and then give the ID name, and where I want to display this ID name and one this variable, and here data of this data, and where I want to display this ID is where I want to click, this ID is where I want to display, and this is a one toggle value, and here give the data and display. We can make this all in the collapse one section also. For now no need of this also, we can do here also in this section, in this variable only I want to give the 1/3 parameter in this section. For that we can do here also, we can calling one function. What can do now, this is a click, this is where I want to display ID, and I want to pass one data for the data to display data. Now I want to just copy this whole things again and come here in the this function again. Now I want to change this ID where I want to display this ID name. Yeah, now see this ID name, and okay, this ID name, this populated, where is this one, and this one, this is a data, where is data, this is data. Okay, now see only we don't need of a calling again this function, we can do now here also. Only third one is a data. For that, for the checking purpose, we can just comment this one and copying the data name, and after that fourth parameter we pass this. Now let's click, see now this one is also working, and here I want to give as like this one, copy this and paste here and just comment this. Now let's see, yeah, now this one is also coming. For that now we have make only one function for displaying this all, and now I want to delete unnecessary things. Our code will be very much small. See now our code will be very much small. See only this much line of a code. Here I can comment this is for the explore, and now I want to display again this third one. For that I want to make a data, where is a top restaurant chain. For that and see here is this boolean point is coming, but here is not coming somewhere. For that I want to remove somewhere. We can add a third variable separate. For that here I can add one another parameter join, and this join I want to copy this join and add here. Pass a dollar and curly bracket inside that join, and just cut this one, and after that I give here one string. Just copy this again and paste here also. Now let's see our section. Yeah, now everything is working as like this one. Now let's make this data. For that here I want to create just make this minimize, and now I want to create this top restaurant. For that here give the yeah, and I like this one is a full screen. Here I give the top restaurant.js, and I give the top export const top restaurant. Oh yeah, yeah. Now this array of object, and just copy this same key name and paste here, and I want to add a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. For that paste this, and we want to paste 3 more. Now I want to copy this one by one. Just copy this one and copy this, paste is here, first section, and the second one. Let's expand this. Okay, this data is not copying. Just copy all and paste is here in the bottom section. One by one we can paste this, expand this. Now let's see. Okay, this is a biryani for the first one, and second one is a biryani blue. Okay, biryani blue, this one, and here paste this. Burger King, just cut this one, and third one is a Burger King. And Domino's, let copy the Domino Dusk, no, Domino's. Here give the Domino's. Now third one is a Dunk, copy this, paste here, and इसके बाद KFC, just cut this. Okay, I think KFC is separately. Domino, Dunk, KFC. Okay, KFC. Now another one is a Krispy Kreme. Here. Now I want to add 2 more data. McDonald, Pizza Hut 3, and 3 more data. Just copy this, paste it again. McDonald, where is here? I want to change, and otherwise a Pizza Hut cut this, paste here, and wow. Yeah, now we want to import this data into our index.js for in the top section. Just little bit here I want to change, and here I want to change the file name. For the checking purpose, let's see some output is coming or not. Console.log. Let's see, right click here, inspect. Yeah, we got a data. Now I want to just copy this same and give third one. We want to make this toggle 3, and here also pass a 3. Now I want to give id. Here come and remove this section. Top restaurant, for that I give the id also top restaurant. Top restaurant id, and here I want to give the display top restaurant display id. I think here miss p. Just copy this id name and come in the index.js. Here change the where I want to display. This is a click function, okay, where I want to click, and second one is display data. Let's come here and come here and change this, and third one I want to pass a data, just top restaurant, and I want to give the separate. First of all, check here, go on the below. See, here is coming, but I want to give the by default this will be not display. For that I want to copy this id and come in the here, and here give the comma and hashtag, paste the id. Yeah, now refresh this. See, when we click then display, click then display, click then display, and see here I was giving the this separator is a pointer. We can give here separator as a space also, and when we click, see here space is coming. Now as like this one we want to city also give. For that just copy this. We does not created this city one. This is a more data. We can give one thing here. We can create a approximately 4 data. For that we have already this city name. We can use this data. You can make this all data, then you can put. Now in the index.js I have a one data. I use this, but this key name is same or not. I want to check. No, not the same. For that I make a city data explore, and here I want to give the dot extension .js. Here I give export const city name and make a array, and here give the this same as like this keyword. Just copy this, paste in city data here, and we can just copy. Now that much, we cannot copy all this. We can give the simple by own Delhi, and here give the another way here Kolkata, last Mumbai, Bangalore, Mumbai, here give the Pune, and Bangalore. Okay. Okay, here I was missed E Bangalore. Now I want to give the Hyderabad, Chennai. Here I give the Hyderabad. I think H is capital. Yeah, H is capital. Now export this data and import in the index.js. Here I want to change something. Give here this name, and this file name is, copy this file name index.js. Here change this and just copy this city, and here give the data, and I want to space, and again come in the index.js. Here I want to give the city deliver id, and here I give the city deliver display id, and just copy this one id, and now I want to change this id name, and second one is where I want to display, and third one is a toggle, and fourth one is a date. The third one is a toggle, fourth one is data, fifth one is a separate. Now let's see. Okay, now by default I want to give refresh this page and come again. By default this one will display, but I want to not display. For that just copy this id name, come in the top restore style sheet file, and here give the comma and hashtag, paste this, and now see this one is done, and this section will be done, this section is done, this one is also done. Now we have completed this section. Now in the next video we cover our footer section. Thank you for the watching till this.